Hello, everyone. My name is Zeng Yu, and I'm from China. It's my great pleasure to show some of my findings. And the title of this paper is Pilot Study Analysis for Green Marketing in China using Resource-Based View. Considering the rapid development of the information society, it's a new perspective that green marketing has become a successful strategy for companies to compete in the marketplace as the environment concerns of the populations rise. Okay, and first we can see the abstract. The rapid development of industrialization and urbanization has brought about many environmental problems. The green marketing can help companies building brand image, imaging and guide consumers to green purchasing. So, this study aims to measure the contrast between green purchasing intention and the implementation of green marketing strategies among users of e-commerce platforms in China. So, this study based on the resource-based view of green marketing and developed two independent variables is eco-labeling and the green advertising. And the pilot study results indicated that the developed questionnaire is robust in measuring the eco-labeling, green advertising, and green purchasing intention, and insights to firms about consumers' intentions and behaviors. Okay. And next, we can see the content, and the research process is described in detail next through these five sections. The first ray is introduction, the second ray is literature review, and the third ray is research methodology, and the fourth ray is data analysis, and the next is results about the study. All right, and then next, and we can see the part one, the introduction, and this paper reviews the environmental awareness, the interconnection between economic development and environmental sustainability is vital for human well-being and the long-term future. And however, and forming consumers' green behavior involves many complex factors, and so the companies are still struggling to find the green elements that will embrace consumers. And then next, we introduced green purchasing intention, and the purchasing intention promotes resource conservation and environmental protection. It represents a consumer contemplation of various thoughts led to purchase a product, which may result in the actual behavior of community to opt to buy that specific product. And the green purchasing intention is the declared intention to buy green due to the concerns for its environmental advantages. And the study respect objective is suggested the use of eco-labeling or EL and the green advertising or GA and the green purchasing intention or GPI, the assessment skills in the context of green marketing based on the resource-based view. The examiners the impact of interpreting green marketing must on Chinese e-commerce consumers' green purchase intention. Okay, and the part two is literature review. And the first, we review the best theory. And the best theory is resource best view for green marketing. The green marketing enables organizations to analyze and quantitate distinctive green resource and competencies. At the same time, the resource-based view offers the theoretical framework of how companies can achieve a competitive advantage by leveraging their resource. So it encompasses more than just sales and advertising, but also encompasses a range of marketing operations such as the product design and redesign, and the environmentally friendly product, and the integrated marketing communications. Okay, and the next, this study reviewed the theory it bring green purchase intention, and this is customers prioritize the environmental characteristics of products and reflect cognitive process before purchase and engagement level. When considering ecological sustainability and those who want to make environmental friendly purchases must consider whether to scientific short-term benefits such as high pricing, limited purchasing ambitions, and changes in consumption habits. And this study also revealed to the IV, the IV1 is equilibrium. The equilibrium is an indication of environment information about a product or service and has a certain credibility, and it offers crucial data regarding the environmental consequences of the product and aids in addressing the concerns of both corporate users and consumers. And the other two is group advertising. The group advertising is a developing idea that centers on supporting environmental protections and human well-being. It primarily involves promoting green products and encouraging green shopping. So the green advertising helps to encourage this intention by appealing to the green values. Okay, after the review the IVs and DVs, so we can get the Fairrock model, and then based on the Fairrock model, there are two hypotheses development at this study. The hypothesis one is equilibrium positively influence green purchase intention, and the hypothesis two is green advertising positively implies green purchase intention. Okay. Nowadays, the part three is methodology. And firstly, the questionnaire contents were all derived from well-established skills from journals, translated into Chinese by professionals, and placed through online platforms. The respondents of the questionnaire were all from Chinese e-commerce consumers. Meanwhile, uses sparse software for data analysis. The normality check was conducted using codices and scanning. Reliability was assessed using the alpha value, and the EFA or exploratory factor analysis was performed to ensure the validity and stability of our measures. Okay, and the next look at the results and the data analysis. The normality of the sample data was first tested. We can look at this table and see that the codices and the scannays and this table indicated that the codices and the scannays of all variables are up to standard. And secondly, excuse me, as can be seen from the tabular data, the sample data passed the reliability test well, and look at the alpha value and all the variables greater than the threshold. Okay, and then the result of the KMO and the bar rate test for the sample date was examined, and this table and indicated that the KMO and bar rate test is passed. So after this, we can use the factor analysis to analyze the sample data of the convergence validity. Okay, the convergent validity results showed that all constructs had satisfactory standardized factor loadings and all this SFO and the total variance explained and all the TVE and the composite reliability and all the CR and the average variance extracted all the AVE and all the indicators and meeting the required thresholds. Alright, and the next is the discriminant validity. The discriminant validity results showed that all the constructs were distinct from each other and with correlations between them indicating strong discriminant validity. Okay, and the part 5 is the result and the concept of co-marketing, and which is becoming increasingly prevalent in the business world, is based on the idea that enterprises should comply with the requirements of the era of sustainable development strategy. This involves prioritizing environment protections and promoting the harmonious growth of the economic and the ecosystem. And this paper employs the resource-based view or the RBV to investigate the effects of eco-labeling or EL and green advertising or GA on Chinese e-commerce consumers, green purchasing intention or the GPI in the context of green marketing. All right. And thank you very much for watching, and this is end of this sharing. If you have any questions and suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments section. Thanks.